Time now for your forewarned weather with Nate Larsen.
Okay, Nate, lucky for us, nothing like that here in our neck of the woods.
Yeah, we're pretty lucky that way. Fortunate to have a nice kickoff to Father's Day weekend. In fact, hey, had some really cool photos come in to the ABC4 Weather Center. This is a shot from Hannah Anderson, Saratoga Springs area. You can see some of the rainbow in the clouds there. This is halos are very common this time of year in our area, just due to the sun angle and the presence of ice crystals higher up in the atmosphere. So this is called a circumhorizontal arc, and it happens when the sun angle's at about 68 degrees up in the sky, and a halo forms around it. The halo is not visible across the entire circle, but some of it reflects off of the crystals in the atmosphere, and it gives us that kind of a shot. We had another one come in from the Provo area. Owen Fair captured this one. Stunning to see some of the colors up in the clouds. It's just a unique feature that we get to see often in our summer months. Temperatures 75 degrees, right now in Salt Lake City, 68 in Delta, 67 in Cedar, and 83 right now in St. George. Very warm conditions down there, but pretty comfortable with the sun gone down. 73 in Moab, 68 in Vernal. Temperature-wise, we're warming up tomorrow as southwest flow is really increasing. This is a look from the University of Utah off towards the west. The sun's gone down. We're going to see more clouds increase with the southwest flow tomorrow, and winds statewide. In fact, we already have some wind advisories in place across portions of southwest, west central Utah ahead of this next batch of weather that's moving in, and moisture really cranking up Monday to Tuesday. But some of our latest model runs here at the studio are showing that we should have a better chance of some storms flaring up tomorrow afternoon for Dad's Day, with temperatures dropping, especially into Tuesday behind a cold front. Wind advisories then for mainly Juab, Millard, portions of Beaver, and Iron counties. Winds of 25 to 35 miles per hour expected. This is from noon tomorrow through midnight on Sunday. Gusts to 45. A high wind watch in effect then for Monday. We could see wind gusts up to 60 miles per hour. Certainly could impact travel for high-profile vehicles if you've got travel trailers. Of course, high winds could blow around loose objects, cause some power outages, those types of things. We'll be watching for those as we get into tomorrow. We also have some stronger winds across the West Desert, expecting those to really crank up as well. We're not expecting advisory criteria, I don't think, for the Salt Lake area, but certainly is going to be a bit blustery out there. As far as moisture potential, it just shows a 10 to 20% chance, slight chance for Sunday, although if I show you this model run, it shows a pretty healthy chance of some showers and storms. So if you've got plans outdoors, maybe get them done by finished with the early afternoon, and just be prepared for some scattered storms into the afternoon. This is 3, 4 o'clock. Now 6 o'clock, a front will stall over northern Utah, generating a chance of these showers and thunderstorms. Sunday evening, we get a bit of a break into Monday, but then more shower and storm activity is expected. You can see that counterclockwise rotation to the northwest of us as the trough continues to push its way through portions of the state. Mainly that northwest half of the state's expected to see wet weather potential. So plan on active conditions at least through Tuesday. Tuesday morning should start to see some clearing in northern Utah. St. George 97 today, mainly sunny skies, on Sunday for Father's Day, not today. Partly cloudy on Monday, 94 on Monday, mostly sunshine Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Winds are going to be whipping in southern Utah, breezy winds still Wednesday, Thursday, even into the weekend. Temperatures hovering close to average. Wasatch Front forecast, chance of moisture late Sunday, mainly in the late afternoon and evening. 91 for the high tomorrow. Chance of storms on Monday, lingering into early Tuesday. Notice our temperatures drop to just 70 degrees by Tuesday for our high. Some areas will just be in the upper 60s, upper 70s on Wednesday, a quick rebound in temperatures, and then we're back to average highs Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Breezy winds, but should be fairly typical summertime conditions as summer kicks off on Thursday. At least the pattern will be more summer-like after summer kicks off on Wednesday. Emily.